Good morning all. Today topic of discussion is total neoadjuvant therapy with M-FOLFIRINOX versus pre-operative chemoradiotherapy in with locally advanced rectal cancer, long-term result of Unicancer PRODACE 23 trial. This is a multi-center randomized open-label phase 3 trial conducted in 35 hospitals in France. Detailed part. Colorectal is a most common cancer and second leading cause of cancer related death worldwide. In Europe, standard care of treatment of locally advanced rectal cancer comprise preoperative CTRT followed by surgery and adjuvant chemotherapy, which results excellent local disease control. However, metastasis rate remain high up to 30%. The another approach, total neo concept is total neoadjuvant therapy, which include course of chemotherapy and CTRT given as neoadjuvant before the surgery, has been tested in many phase 2 and phase 3 trials. The benefit of TNT is early treatment of micrometastasis, higher rate of PCR, pathological complete response, longer disease-free survival, together with facilitating resection, improving chemotherapy tolerance, compliance of chemotherapy and organ preservation. In PRODACE 23 study, patient treated with the neoadjuvant M-FOLFIRINOX had 31% reduction in the relative risk of disease recurrence based on hazard ratio of 0.69 for 3-year disease-free survival. This study also demonstrated a significant improvement of metastasis-free survival for a patient treated with the neoadjuvant M-FOLFIRINOX. Furthermore, compliance to adjuvant chemotherapy was increased. Grade 3 and 4 adverse event occurred in 46% of the patient during the NACT, but the rate of grade 3-4 adverse event significantly decreased in neoadjuvant group during the adjuvant therapy compared to the standard care. Because of that कि chemotherapy के cycle reduce हो जाएंगे वहाँ पे इसमें. In addition, the neoadjuvant chemotherapy improve tumor related symptom also associated with the transitory reduction of most functional score. NCCN clinical practice guideline in oncology of rectal cancer recommend TNT as a preferred treatment for non-metastatic locally advanced rectal cancer. The present article report the long-term follow-up analysis of PRODACE 23 study, including overall survival results. इनिशियल जो फेज 1 हुआ था तो उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया था ओवरऑल सर्वाइवल को, अभी इंक्लूडेड है लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट में. The patient and method study and patients Unicancer PRODACE 3 an investigator-driven multi-center randomized phase 3 trial done in 35 hospitals in the France. The eligible patient are criteria is 18 to 75 year, WHO performance status 0 and 1, pathologically confirmed rectal adenocarcinoma under peritoneal reflection on MRI and stage clinical 3 and 4. This is a study design. This is a multi-center randomized open label phase 3 trial stratified by the tumor center, tumor stage 3 and 4, node positive, extramural extension less than or equal to 5 versus less than 5 mm. Tumor location in centimeter from the anal burrs. These are the patient's criteria. 2 arms are taken, modified FOLFIRINOX plus CTRT, then followed by surgery, followed by adjuvant chemotherapy for the 3 months. Total 461 पेशेंट थे. दोनों जो neoadjuvant आर्म में 231 पेशेंट लिए हैं हमने, और जो स्टैंडर्ड आर्म है CTRT प्लस सर्जरी फॉलोड बाय कीमोथेरेपी फॉर द 6 मंथ, टोटल 230 पेशेंट लिए हैं. M-FOLFIRINOX एडमिनिस्टर 6 साइकिल ओवर द 3 मंथ, और कीमो का वो रेडिएशन का डोज 50.4 ग्रे ओवर 5 वीक्स विद द कैप्सिटाबिन, और TME परफॉर्म्ड 7 वीक आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ CTRT एंड एडजुवेंट कीमोथेरेपी M-FOLFIRINOX 6 एंड कैप्सिटाबिन. The primary endpoint is disease-free survival. Second endpoint is pathological complete response, metastatic free survival, overall survival, safety and quality of life. The median follow-up 46.5 months.
उसमें lymph nodes के बारे में कोई मेंशन नहीं है.
नहीं सर,
मतलब दे हैव नॉट टेकन कंसिडरेशन द
लिया है सर, लिम्फ नोड का ये मेंशन किया है, 0 एंड प्लस को लिया गया है ये सर यहाँ पे,
N0
N0 and N plus,
N plus,
yes sir,
but N plus they have not further any N plus.
yes sir. Procedure. All the reports of imaging, surgical, pathological results, ostomy data, second cancer, site of recurrence, and treatment of recurrence were assessed in an independent mass central review. Patients were randomly allocated in either NSCT with the M-folfirinox 6 cycle followed by CTRT surgery and adjuvant chemotherapy of 6 cycle, or standard arm CTRT followed by surgery adjuvant chemotherapy 12 cycle. Surgery was recommended regardless of response induced by the neoadjuvant therapy. The outcomes, as earlier discussed, primary endpoint was disease-free survival, secondary endpoint overall survival, metastatic-free survival, cancer-specific survival, loco-regional recurrence rate, metastatic recurrence rate, pathological complete response rate, and R0 resection. Statistically analysis. The data cutoff date for analysis was 9th January 2023. Overall, 460 patients, 230 in each group, has to be included to observe 136 event to show 10% increase in the 3-year disease-free survival from 75% to 85%, corresponding to a hazard ratio of 0.56 with 90% power and two-side significance level of 5%. Efficacy analysis were based on intention to treat principle, and safety analysis were carried out on treated patient. Survival rate were estimated through Kaplan-Meier method and hazard ratio with 95% confidence interval with the Cox proportional hazard model. All analyses were using Stata version 16 and SAS version 9.3 software. This is the model how they taken. Uh, 461 पेशेंट वर रैंडमली असाइन किए हमने न्यू एडजुवेंट आर्म और सर्जिकल आर्म स्टैंडर्ड आर्म में, जिसमें से पाँच ने रिसीव एलोकेट ट्रीटमेंट नहीं लिया है, 2 ने कंसेंट नहीं दी है और 1 ने नॉन कंप्लायंस था, 1 प्रोटोकॉल वायलेशन किया है और 1 में मेटास्टेसिस हुआ। तो टोटल 226 रिसीव्ड न्यू एडजुवेंट फॉलफेरिनॉक्स, जिसमें से 7 डिड नॉट एलोकेट ट्रीटमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ 2 की डेथ हो गई, 2 कंसेंट विड्रॉल ले ली, 1 में डिसीज प्रोग्रेशन, 1 प्रीवियसली रेडियोथेरेपी पेल्विक रेडियोथेरेपी हुआ है और 1 में टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट आया है। देन 19 पेशेंट रिसीव कीमोथेरेपी, 219 पेशेंट रिसीव कीमो रेडियोथेरेपी, जिसमें से 7 डिड नॉट हैव एनी सर्जरी, 2 कंप्लीट रिस्पॉन्स, 1 डिसीज प्रोग्रेशन, 1 डेथ, कंसेंट विड्रॉल एंड टॉक्सिक एंड नॉन कंप्लायंस। 213 को सर्जरी हुआ है एंड 163 पेशेंट रिसीव एडजुवेंट कीमोथेरेपी के लिए गए हैं टोटल आउट ऑफ 231 में। एंड अनदर आर्म में 230 पेशेंट्स थे टोटल, जिनमें रिसीव्ड 227 पेशेंट रिसीव कीमो रेडियोथेरेपी एंड 218 पेशेंट्स की सर्जरी हुई है और 158 एडजुवेंट कीमोथेरेपी के लिए आए थे। रिजल्ट्स, द पेशेंट टोटल नंबर टोटल ऑफ
पीछे ना उधर सबको एडजुवेंट पूरा मिला 158, 230 में से
158 मैम, 57 डिड नॉट रिसीव एलोकेट। अनदर में 163 था, इसमें 158 था। पेशेंट टोटल ऑफ 461 पेशेंट वर रिक्रूट बाय द फ्रेंच 35 फ्रेंच सेंटर and randomly assigned to the either neoadjuvant chemotherapy group or standard arm between 5 June 2012 to 26 June 2017. Median follow-up of median 82.2 months. Most of the patient had T3 and T3 tumors. Lymph node involvement 461 में से 415 per lymph node था। Only 7% of the patient presented without high risk factors at baseline, with as predicted by the involved radial margin, node positive, and involved lateral lymph nodes. Baseline characteristics of the patient and the both arm. Median age is 61 and standard arm is 62 था. Male percent 64.9 and 67.8. WHO performance status 77.7 and for 0. WHO performed 0 and 1 for 22.3 and standard arm 80.5 and 19.5. The distance from the anal verge more are on 5 to 10 centimeter from the anal verge, 49.3 and 51.3. And T stage में T3 T4 mostly are T3 80.9 and 83.6. Node positive are 89.1% and 90%. Predict lateral margin less than equal to 1 mm, 26 and 27.7.
इसमें थोड़ा सा इसमें
जी
distance from anal verge
यस
10 to 15 centimeter,
यस सर.
but 10 centimeter से तो रेक्टम खत्म ही हो जाता है.
और उन्होंने ये भी बोला था सर कि पेरिटोनियल डिफ्लेक्शन से नीचे अगर रहेगा उसी को कब दे रहे हैं, तो 10 सेंटीमीटर से ऊपर तो पेरिटोनियल डिफ्लेक्शन के ऊपर चला जाएगा.
In fact, not rectal, then that comes the rectosigmoid.
यस सर.
क्योंकि rectal usually 8 centimeters, maximum 10 centimeters, but above 10 is the Well, this is for information of all of us, that usually we take the distance from the anal verge to the rectum 8 centimeter, maybe 10 centimeter, but more than 10 comes the rectosigmoid junction and then sigmoid.
Outcomes at the data cutoff, all the patient with anterior resection or intersphincteric resection, 183 patient in each arm had stoma closure, except 2 out of 183 neoadjuvant chemotherapy arm and 1 out of 183 of standard care group. So the rate of definitive stoma was 32 out of 213, 15% in neoadjuvant chemotherapy group and 33 out of 215, 15.3 in standard care group. And DFS event 5 in neoadjuvant arm and standard care arm, 5-year DFS is neoadjuvant arm 73.1%, 95% confidence interval, 66.8% to 78.4%, and in standard arm 65.5%, and 7-year DFS 67.6 in standard arm, 62.5 increase in neoadjuvant chemotherapy group. This is the chart showing disease-free survival in neoadjuvant chemotherapy arm is increased comparative. Both are parallel, but more on neoadjuvant group. Metastatic and local regional relapse account for 52.8%, 38 patient, and metastatic 52.8 in neoadjuvant arm and 65.1 in standard care group, and local regional relapse 13.9 in neoadjuvant group and 12%, 10 patient in standard care group. 7-year cumulative incidence of local relapse was 5.3%, 95% confidence interval, 2.9 to 9.3% in neoadjuvant chemotherapy group, and 8.1%, 95% confidence interval, 4.9 to 13.3% in standard care group. 7-year cumulative incidence of metastasis in lower and neoadjuvant chemotherapy group is 20.7% compared to the standard care group is 27.7%. And 5-year metastatic free survival 81.6% in neoadjuvant chemotherapy group and 73.5% in standard care. And same in higher in 79.2% in neoadjuvant chemotherapy group and 72.3% in standard care group. That is shown in the chart also. And the overall survival The overall survival analysis, 98 events were observed. 5-year overall survival rates 86.92 and 79.9% neoadjuvant and standard arm. And 7-year overall survival rate is 81.9% in neoadjuvant arm and 76.1% in standard care arm. And 5-year cancer specific survival 88.1% in neoadjuvant arm and 82.4% in standard care arm respectively. The prognostic factor in univariate analysis, significant poor prognostic factor for DFS were low tumor localization, baseline T4 stage, higher baseline TNM stage considered. But in multifactorial analysis, only baseline TNM stage has poor prognostic for DFS. Multifactorial analysis identified BiP N0 R0 resection, no PNI as a independent favorable prognostic factor. Patient whose tumor were classified BiP T0 N0 have 5-year DFS 84.2% versus 67.8 in those who have residual tumor. Among the patient with BiP T0 N0 tumor, neoadjuvant group 5-year DFS is 92.9% and in standard arm 81.1%. Same the event residual tumor में 5-year survival 71.3% neoadjuvant group में है और 69.3% in standard arm में है. And patient with YP T0 to T2 N0 displayed 5-year DFS 85.7 in FOLFIRINOX arm versus 79.1% in standard care arm. Patient with T3 T4 and N1 tumor achieved 5-year DFS 74.2% versus 67.2% in both the arms. Discussion. The standard treatment for locally advanced rectal cancer is effective to control local disease, but risk of distant metastasis remain high, up to 30% as discussed. In the long-term follow-up analysis of PRODIGE 23 study, including patient with stage 3 and 4 rectal cancer, neoadjuvant chemotherapy with FOLFIRINOX followed by CTRT improved overall survival and confirmed long-term DFS and MFS benefits. 2 recent clinical trial investigating TNT, Rapido trial and PRODIGE trial demonstrating significant benefit to decrease onset of metastasis compared to standard arm. In this, both trial are showing as a comparison. In Rapido arm, short course chemotherapy 5 days followed by complete chemotherapy, then go for surgery. And PRODIGE trial में पहले neoadjuvant chemotherapy, then long course chemotherapy. Differences यहाँ पे रैपिडो में शॉर्ट कोर्स था, इसमें लॉन्ग कोर्स है. इसमें इनिशियल में कीमो आ गया, देन सर्जरी, देन एडजुवेंट कीमोथेरेपी. These are the difference both TNT arm. The DFS and MFS improvement confirmed by the neoadjuvant chemo 7-year therapy reported at 3 were maintained 5 and 7 years after treatment. The first result in favor of use of TNT in locoregional rectal cancer demonstrated benefit to the control metastasis at 3 years, but without translating into the overall benefit. Initial में नहीं बताया था, बाद में वो confirm किया उन्होंने. The 5-year distant metastasis rate was reduced in neoadjuvant group compared to the standard arm. PRODIGE 23, we did not observe any increase in the proportion of patient with local relapse, and DFS benefit was constant over the time. Less event including metastasis and death as a first event were observed in the neoadjuvant group compared with the standard care group, strengthening the positioning of the induction chemotherapy for the treatment of locally advanced rectal cancer. In our study, there is a gender is independent prognostic factor. Men have poor prognosis than women. PRODIGE 23 demonstrate interesting safety profile of 3 months. Induction chemotherapy with modified FOLFIRINOX showing acceptable occurrence of grade 3 and 4 adverse event including neutropenia, diarrhea, decreased post-operative mortality, decreased neurotoxicity, and good compliance to the adjuvant chemotherapy. The limitation of this study enrollment of a patient less than 76 years of age, no data on extramural venous invasion. In conclude, induction chemotherapy with M-FOLFIRINOX improve overall survival in locally advanced rectal cancer. Furthermore, DFS and MFS benefit are durable over the time, and this neoadjuvant strategy does not impair local disease control. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy with FOLFIRINOX should be now considered as one of the best option of the care for the patient with rectal cancer.